Hey everyone. Welcome to Gentle PSD. In this video we will be learning about how to create this miniature effect in Photoshop. It is super simple. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more exciting tutorials. So without any further ado, let's begin. Create a new document. Width of our document is 1920 and the height is 1080, resolution 300. Click create. Now we will import our stock photo, which I downloaded from pexels.com. Arrange it to our document and click OK. We will duplicate our stock photo by pressing Ctrl J. Now we will add some blur. Go to filter, click blur and select Gaussian blur. Change the radius to 4.5 pixels. Click OK. Now add the mask to our layer by clicking this mask icon. Take your brush tool. Change the brush hardness to 0%. Make sure that our foreground color is black. Now start erasing the center of our stock photo, just like this. That looks good. We finished our miniature effect in Photoshop within a minute. As I said, it is super simple. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the subscribe button for more amazing tutorials. If you like this video, click the like button. Until our next tutorial, stay happy.